Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will learn how to wear your accessories like a pro. Yeah, quick life update. It was my birthday on 11th December and it was raining and I was like, are you kidding me? Rain in winters, moved on 11th December. So yeah, in starting I was really sad, but then I had fun and it was blast. So yeah, thank you so much for wishing me there on Instagram, WhatsApp and everywhere. I'm so grateful to have each one of you. And yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, accessories really make or break your look. When you put a outfit together and when you add some accessories, it really take your look from 0 to 10. So yeah, invest in some accessories. I have said this before and I will keep telling, because accessories really matters in your outfit. It changes your look. So yeah, tip number 1 is don't overdo it. Price yourself, don't overdo it. Like if you are wearing something heavy in your ears, don't put much heavier, a heavier thing in your neck or hands and everywhere, rings and all. You can do little but not that heavy. जैसे यहाँ पे these earrings are little huge and kind of a statement, so I'm keeping it simple. I like it that way. But if you wanna go all over, but don't wear like a layered necklace here and that statement, it looks so odd and so awkward. So yeah, don't overdo accessories. Keep it simple, and you have heard it, less is more. So yeah, keep it simple, don't overdo it. Next, don't do mismatch. For example, if you are wearing gold earrings, don't wear silver necklace or silver choker or something. If you are wearing gold, go gold all over. Wear everything in gold, like gold watch, gold ring, or if you wanna wear gold bracelet. Don't do silver, gold, diamond, everything will that look like khichdi. Don't do mix and match. If you are wearing gold, wear gold all over. If you are wearing silver, wear silver all over. It really look like you have put some efforts in dressing up. And yeah, the next tip is invest in some statement pieces, like that huge earrings or that layered chain necklace. 1 minute, I will show you. But they are so tangled. So yeah, I bought it recently. It arrived on my birthday. So yeah, this looks so fancy and it looks like you have put an effort in dressing up. And yeah, you have seen it everywhere because this is in trend right now. So invest in something like that. You can wear it again and again with everything. It goes with everything. And top like this, where my neck is really exposed, so I can easily wear it. And one thing more, if you wear something like that layered chain, don't do this. Like half of the chain is on my skin and half of the chain is on the top or something you are wearing. It looks so awkward. So you can do is decrease its length and keep it like this, so it won't look awkward. I you know kept it like this. Yeah, it looks so good. So I invest in something like that. And that cat eye glasses also, something like this. If you are wearing some simple and plain outfit like whole black or whole white monochromatic outfit, you put sunglasses like this. Cat eye trend is and was so famous that time. Yeah, look, it completely changes your look. So yeah, invest in some statement pieces. Pieces like this watch. This is my mom's watch, but it is now mine. You can also have something like it is in gold, so it looks super cool with white shirt, red lips, and it looks classy when you have statement pieces in your wardrobe. So you can style them up and style them down, and it looks really it is that X factor. It brings that X factor in your outfit. So invest in statement pieces like this, and it will be there for long run. Next is you can also do fusion wear with your outfits, like that silver oxidized jewelry and simple plain outfits. When we think about that ethnic jewelries, we think that we can only wear them with our ethnic looks and all, but no, we can also do like a plain white t-shirt or black t-shirt and something like this choker. You can wear it, and you can you normally go out with your friends or wherever you want to go. It looks so good. Ignore this and look this. And this type of choker looks really good with something like this Therefore I am wearing this top. So yeah, it looks so good, if you wanna give your full attention to the choker. So yeah, to your neck, and it looks so good. So yeah, try wearing your ethnic jewelry pieces with your western outfits, and it will create a good fusion wear. Also invest in something like this, different shapes and size of earrings and everything. It looks so good with some plain outfit. I will insert a picture how I styled them with bold lips, red lipstick, and simple plain, for example, black outfit, and this statement earrings with straight hair or bun. It looks super gorgeous. Yeah, keep investing in your accessories. Also add some cool and fun bags to your wardrobe like this one. I bought it recently from Miniso. Uh, Earlier we used to carry bags only if we have to keep something inside, but nowadays bags are part of your outfit. It really changes your look and your the way people look at you. So yeah, invest in some fun cool bags like this one. I got it from Miniso. I showed in my recent video, last one. So yeah, this bag mein you can keep some things, your phone, your clutch, and everything. You wanna carry some lipstick or some makeup products. Yeah. Next bag, bags like this one. You can't keep much inside, but yeah, if you are wearing, for example, a corset, and if you wear it in your, waist, yeah, they are waist pouch or belt bag or whatever you wanna say them. You can wear it in your waist, and it completely, believe me, it completely changes your look. So yeah, invest in some cool, accessories and your cool bags if you wanna change your look slightly. I think accessories are really important part of your outfit, and if you wanna change your look for New Year, maybe the New Year is coming, and if you wanna, you have your resolution, and that resolution involves changing your style, changing your look, so you can invest in some accessories, add accessories to your wardrobe, and yeah, it will take time to have that habit of wearing accessories normally, casually, wherever you are going outside. I usually wear some, accessories if I want to look little dressier, and I know I will click pictures there. So yeah, accessories with simple outfit look so good. As you can see in this look, I am wearing this, off shoulder kind of top. Which this is, really open, and if I will not wear this earrings, it would look like this, so simple, so plain, and but look, after adding the earrings, the look is slightly dressier. So yeah, accessories really makes you look dressier. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something, and you take something out of this video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below which was your favorite tip, and yeah, thank you. See you in the next video.